Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up the user profile on GARMIN Edge 540. First of all, we're gonna have to scroll down on the home page until we reach menu option. Once we are here, press Options key. Then let's scroll down to My Stats and press Options key once again. Now we're gonna have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list, or just press up once to get here. Select user profile, and here we can change things like gender, birth year, height, and weight. So for example, to change gender, you highlight this option, press Options key, and then select the gender, then the birth year, and you can change it here, and then press Options key to confirm. Then the same way you can change the height and the weight. Then also don't forget to synchronize this data with your smartphone. To do that, let's go back, then move up to the control center, then press Options key, scroll down to Synchronize icon next to phone, press Options key to synchronize this data. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.